Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna be doing ones till I lose. I might do competitive soon, but probably not. And if you want to see my settings, just tell me and I'll let you know. Besides, if you do want to see my settings, it's gonna be pretty weird. Or I can just probably put it in the description, don't know. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into game one. Or just wait. Like, hello, where's... I guess it's 43 seconds, but Jesus. Normally it takes me like 5 minutes to join. Sometimes it takes me like 20 seconds to join. Come on. There we go. Right as I got a 50%, it's insane. See how first game goes. Save, wait for that to come down. Wait for him to challenge? Insane. I normally never win 50s, so that's surprising I just did. I'm gonna fake it and go back. If him to hit that one more time. I don't know what bro's doing, but he is not that guy. No! I missed. That's insane. He's not
what bro's doing, but he is not that guy.
not even a Batman legend. He doesn't even have the goddamn Batman goal explosion from 2016. The hell? Wait. Bang! Perfect. Okay, okay, there we go. Oh, damn. You can see the light glow on that, bro. Okay, my bad. No way he won kickoff. I guess I'm just too fast, and people just get kickoff because of how slow they are.
He's currently streaming.
I'm not streaming. I'm recording a video. No way, this guy. Batman Legend 508, you suck at the game. And just wait. Oh, what am I doing? No, get boost. No, everything's gone wrong. I missed the ball.
Champion team's gone over to
Wait for it. Nice.
Climatizer.
I'm waiting for it to come down. Bang. Tunnel goal. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, nice. Tied it up. Then watch, I'm gonna fake it, and then this guy actually gets boost and bowl, and probably goal. Wait to come down. Oh no! I was just there. Look at how close I was. Look at this. He was there, and I got closer and closer, and I missed the ball. Okay, let's see. I can't fake this guy, whatever it is. He just always wins kickoff. I think it's because I'm speed flipping. Well, not fully speed flipping, but speed flipping.
Ooh.
See. Okay, I want kickoff this time around. Wait for it to come back. Somebody once told you.
Half one.
Just gonna wait for that to free setup for me so I can
Getting
just
somewhere,
bang
I don't know.
that. Nice. Put it to 3-4. Just one goal off from tying it again.
I can't get up. I can't get up.
Okay, there's kickoff. That's not a free goal, but it. Okay, never mind.
got
Demo
one.
for him. I turned back for a boost because I
Is
missed.
he running? They did.
Get in there!
What the fuck did she
Yes!
shoot me?
Damn!
Damn, that carded.
Damn, bro! I'm losing my voice. Perfect kickoff. We love to see it. Oh, I messed it up.
Any of them live?
Oh! Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Nope.
What am I actually doing, bro? What is
enemies just in
this?
case?
How do you manage to miss this?
No.
That deserves a like. That deserves a like. Perfect. This guy also missed boost. Perfect. I just make that in his corner, grab boost, wait for it, turn back. Hit that again. Oh, nice. 50 there. And to my corner, he's gonna try and turn it. I'm gonna fake it, go back. Back it up, Terry. I don't know who I think I am, but I'm not that guy. Yo, Joel. Musty's don't call me Ricky. Arsenal's teaching me right now, bro. Chill. It's crazy. Oh, wait for that. That's not in. Damn. Oh, wait, what? This is such a weird angle from where I am. Let me see this.
They moved.
Oh, no, that was going in. Sorry,
No,
guys.
another team.
Did not know that was going in. I'm gonna get a good kickoff with some extra boost.
We need to go.
Oh, so close to right over his head. Get back here. Don't run. Okay, no, he took boost. I'm gonna wait for it because this guy. Oh, what a challenge. Stay hydrated. What? What am I saying? Stay hydrated, guys.
I do. Well, I don't have one.
Good 50. Wait for it to come down.
Need a
Bang.
barrel. That's really bad.
He's got such an easy setup
Coming
here.
this
If
way.
he manages
Do
to
we
miss this.
Hold them or? Yeah.
Still missed it. Unbelievable. You suck at the game. Why are you coming this way? I gotta keep it up. Keep it up. What are you doing? Okay, GG. First game. Hopefully we make it to game like 4 or something.
I don't think they'll come this way.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the game because I don't want to just, you know. I don't want to rematch against the same guy. Okay, what do we use?
We'll use all that there.
Let's see. I'm using this color. Yeah. I don't know what I'm thinking. Let's see. What gonna...
Probably get going to the
You know
next
what?
game as well.
I'll use this so I don't upset any people. I'm kidding. Okay, we're going to game. Game 2. 10 minutes of recording. 10 minutes. So that means it took me 5 minutes for the first game. That's crazy. Okay, let's see.
There's 4
Okay,
or 5 squads.
you got a
in
nice
that.
kickoff there.
In this area, in the scan that you did.
Hey, yo, it's Musty's call, guys.
Grab that.
Musty's on to me, and I hate his pee. Okay, I'm kidding.
Hello.
Where am I going? Okay, never mind. Where am I going? Bump. Where am I going? Where am I going? Back to his net, I guess. Turtle goal. Boom. I didn't think I got that
There's a
extra
squad
touch.
pushing up behind them.
And then I got, yeah, I didn't get the extra touch. I just had to check. Sorry, guys. Whoa, I'm lagging, bro. No excuses, no excuses. Bang. Oh, sent. Nice. Okay. Why am I saying nice, bro?
Minus
I'm
25.
stupid. I want to go against this guy. I don't want to be with him. Oh, dang. Right past him. How fast that go? 152 to banger. I mean, he did get the extra touch, so. I'm always gonna slow down on kickoffs because this is casual.
Do we maybe just get a good spot in ring?
This guy sucks.
Doesn't get back.
No, turn. Snap. Bang. I get a man. I give full life. Everyone's telling me to change goddamn YouTube.
You probably want to get that
names.
red though.
Oh my god, get the pass in. No, you grab boost. Turtle goal. I did it to him again.
Yeah.
I'm just taking anything I can. I want to see this. How do you manage to miss that bag? Guys, look at this.
I've got one.
How do you manage to do that to yourself?
Thank you.
Good kickoff. Got boost. Back around.
I got a purple.
Cheese and Reddles on my side. And that means same for you, Mizu.
If you wanna, what's the name? Go put a alt up there. I'll go.
Oh, that's a good try there. I saw what he tried. I saw what he tried.
Nope. Where? Oh, that's above.
I don't know where this guy's going. Like, buddy, why you on the goddamn bull's crack? Like, chill. I'll fake it. I'll go up the wall to 100. Nope.
Another triple pick.
Oh! Turtle goal. I did it to him again. I had to. Okay. I'm done with turtle goals, okay? Sorry. I'm done with turtle goals.
I'll just put it in my sling.
Oh, good 50 from him. Still in my corner, though. Please, be in. No, it's not. Oh, I'll love it. Oh, this guy keeps getting sent. He
probably should've
sucks at the game.
opened that thing.
Give me that demo.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I told you, I'm done with turtle goals. I'm not risking anymore. Scary. He forfeit. Let's go. Okay, maybe the demo's a bit too much. Okay, let's go into the next game. Okay, actually, no. You know what, I'll just pause the video until I get into a new game, and I'll
I'm on
unpause,
4 now.
and you get what I mean. Okay, into game 3 we go. I meant to press record, but I kind of forgot to. My bad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, never mind, I underestimated him. Oh, he's gonna score. That's such an easy goal. Where you at, bro?
I don't know where his teammates are.
I got boost. Oh,
Yeah, I don't see. He hasn't altered out yet.
Wait, turn back.
Behind yet, Doc. I don't know where.
What
he's
the
gone.
frick? Y'all saw that, right? I just went all over the place.
Where?
What the hell?
Doc here, follow. Doc, look here.
I'm not gonna risk
Now.
it. This guy's confusing.
Here, Doc.
Just a bit.
That's fine.
I don't know where I'm going.
He's got it.
Oh! Oh, my bad. I did not mean a turtle.
Alright, someone.
Stick drift. Stick drift.
I'm gonna use my ult so I don't have to waste it. He's probably res now, I think.
Oh, damn it. I thought I could skim past him.
Over here.
Oh, wait. I can double that. Oh, never mind. Frick. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Look. That's not going in. I don't know what you want me to think. That's not going in. Oh, damn it. He can take boost, I don't care. Boost isn't any of my concern. Bang! Wait,
how am I missing
I'm
so much
kidding,
stuff?
guys. I'm kidding. I'm not
There's a
gonna say
respawn
that.
tower, right?
I trolled you guys with that
I don't
turtle.
see
You
him.
were like, swear do not turtle again. I'm like,
Can't
okay,
see
fine.
it.
Okay, guys, I got a turtle on this one.
Do we drop on him?
Never mind. You know what? Fine. He doesn't want me to
There's only
turtle
one
on him
person,
in this
isn't it?
game, so fine.
Yeah.
Take it. And I'll take that boost. Where is he? Okay, back it up, Terry. I'm gonna wait for him to force.
Oh, they're all in there now.
Okay, nice.
I tried to help.
Oh, damn it.
He's trying to kill me. I don't know if he can pull me.
I can't.
I'm
He
dead.
didn't even take boost, did he? No, he did. Watch, he's gonna force that, bro. Like, look. Right, look at this. He takes
sorry.
boost. What am I meant to do? What? Act like I have 200 boost on me? No. This guy's just gonna kill me. I'm actually lagging. I'm lagging, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, that's in for him. What am I doing? I'm throwing. I'll take boost.
Right under you.
God damn it, you lucky. Wait, that means he's low on boost. That means he was low on boost. Wait. Wait for him to force that.
Ooh.
You know what? I'll let him try.
Yeah, we came second, so.
Nice. Actually, perfect.
Oh, okay.
Bruh, this guy sucks. Night Striker 0_04. Look, I got 69 kph, guys. It's beautiful. If you didn't see, it was in the bottom corner. Oh, well, not bottom corner. Easy. Oh, you got a lot of boost there. He's got 100 boost on him, and he had like 33 at start, and then went for it. Oh, nice, nice. So that means he scored on me more than the last guy, which scored on me once. Bang! Wait. 104. 102! 102! He's probably like, how'd that guy even score on me? Okay, you know what? If my channel becomes a big community, fine, I'll make it so you cannot turtle on your players anymore. So if you've subscribed to me, you cannot turtle on people. In Rocket League only though. Not in real life. I'll let you turtle on some people in real life, you know. I'm sorry, but I have to turtle on him now. I'm so sorry, but I had to do it. That was just... How do you manage to miss? Why did you even go for boost? You had 100. You... All I'm ever said, you know. Stay hydrated, guys. Stay hydrated. This definitely is not blood. This is just normal water. Stay hydrated. I'm not drinking water because I don't like water. I like made up water. Filled with blood. I'm kidding. It is called black currant and apple. I mean, yeah, where's the green draught? What am I saying, bro? I'm losing my mind. No one's gonna like my videos after that, bro. Why did I even stop? Where am I getting stop vibes from? If I score on him, he has to forfeit. Get out! You need to leave! I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. If I score on him again. Okay, GG's, guys. See you next game. I'll just show you something. You know what? If someone wants to pick, you know what? The most like comment, if there's any comments on this video, the most like comment on this video, I will use that card. Just tell me the number. Okay, my game's actually loading. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so we're going from 35. This one. 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 No. This one. That one's weird. I don't like that one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Yeah. There's your answer. There.
Speaking French.
I need to go eat something. Okay, guys, I'm back from whatever I did. It's been 24 minutes of recording, and I still cannot remember what I used as my last car. So if this isn't the last car that I used, sorry. But yeah. Besides, it's fine. No one's gonna care. And all it is now, I just have to get back to ones, but I need to do something again. There's like 40 things I have to do at once. At once. So yeah, I'll be back in like a minute, but for you guys, it's gonna be a second. So, okay, guys. Sorry for taking so long. Well, actually, no, it's like a second for you, and that was like 2 hours for me. Anyway, I'm gonna continue. Maybe I'll even lose my first game back. And if I do, that's just gonna have to be the video. I've been doing this for too long. And I'm just gonna get right into the game. Hopefully. I actually... Ooh! What the hell? The hell here? Okay, we go. Okay, hopefully get into a game soon. Because I really don't want to be waiting for like 20 minutes. And then I have to go and then I can't do this and that. Hopefully I don't lose my first game, bro. Manfield Knights. I'm playing against a PlayStation, never mind. Okay, rematch. Okay, come on, please join. Okay, there we go. We got someone. He's a diamond tournament winner. Oh, damn it. Grab boost. Save. Nice. A little bit nasty, but it is what it is. Oh, okay, this guy took boost. And he's gonna swap that. Damn it. My bad. Stay hydrated, guys. The hell just happened to the screen? Sorry about that. Don't know what the hell just happened, but yes, that happened. Very much, very much, very good. Turtle! I have to do it. I'm sorry. Damn, my bottle exploded. Not literally. Oh, it's so simple, bruh. Da 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 do. That's in. Sorry about that. I can't. What a save. I'm actually playing so weird. What the hell? Okay, push it over there. Wait for it. I can't 50 that, but that's in. Okay, nice. I don't know why I couldn't save that, but okay. Skirt. Turn. Yeet. Bang. Okay, wait. Turn. Ontkeer. Okay, there we go. Was that it? No, it's off posts. That's the easiest shot, dude. That's so simple for him. Oh, I hate this guy, bro. Okay, guys, I'm not even kidding. I've been recording for 33 minutes, and this needs to get edited and then uploaded, but... Oh! God, fake this guy. Dude, this guy! Just get off my crack, bro! Bro, just go to OT, this guy. Whatever, this guy sucks anyway, so. Okay, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is probably gonna come up in weeks' time. Weeks' time. So, as we all know, enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, and Live Captured YT out. Goodbye.